What is up guys, Julien here, the French winemaking guy who makes wine videos here on YouTube. Yes, wine videos, and we are looking at some very quick winery information about one of the most famous of all chateaux in Bordeaux, in the Pomerol wine region on the right bank. That belongs to Pierre Moueix. The Château Trotanoy belongs to the same owner as the famous, the illustrious Pétrus. This is made from about 90% Merlot and about 10% Cabernet Franc on a small 7-hectare estate. That's about 18 acres. So how do you go about pronouncing this? Well, Château Trotanoy. Do not say Château Trotanoy, but simply Château Trotanoy. It'd be fine to say Château Trotanoy. Château Trotanoy of Pomerol. Château Trotanoy. Here are more videos to learn more about Bordeaux wine and wine in general. I will see you soon in the wonderful world of vino. Au revoir. Bye bye.